Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word often used in business, marketing, and personal interests: niche. It might seem simple, but there are multiple ways people pronounce it. By the end of this video, you'll know the correct pronunciation with confidence. The most common pronunciation is niche, rhyming with sheesh, but some people also say niche, rhyming with itch. While both are recognized, niche is the more widely accepted pronunciation, especially in formal settings. Now let's practice. First, try niche. Say it with me. Niche. Now a little faster. Niche. And at full speed, niche. If you prefer the niche pronunciation, you can practice that too. Keep repeating until it feels natural. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Niche refers to a specialized area or category. For example, in business, a niche market is a small, specific segment of a larger market. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce niche and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.